In previous video, I have shared a method on how to generate a sample dataset with random numeric numbers and random string names with DAX formula. Those generated string names could be not unique. In this video, I shall share another method to generate a sample dataset with larger known numbers which has a unique string item name in each row. For example, I combine the three English uppercase letters to make a unique product name. Each letter in the product name comes from the 26 English uppercase letters. Thus, in mathematical formula, we are able to create 26 times 26 times 26, which equal to 70,576 total unique product name in numbers. In desktop file, create a new table with DAX formula. Name the product name list as the new table. Define a table 1 with function and columns to generate the first column for serious numeric range from 1 to 70,576 with interval 1. Then to create the second column for generating product ID based on the values from the first column. Finally, we create the columns for generating unique product name. The initial identifier is P to state the item category is product. Then we shall create the first letter of the name. The ask value for A is 65, B is 66, and so on until Z, which is 90. Column value -1, this ensures that the series start from 0. Integer column value -1 divided by 26 times 26, which is 676, determines the block in which the numbers falls. Since we are dividing by 676, the integer part of this division results gave us the first letter's position. Then the second letter for the name. Column value -1 again, this ensures zero-based index. Integer column value -1 divided by 26, this division by 26 determines the group in which the numbers falls. Since each group contains 26 numbers, the integer part of this division result gave us the position of the group. MOD integer value -1 divided by 26 and 26. This model's operations ensures that the position falls within the range of the 0 to 25, corresponding A to Z. For example, if value is 1 to 26, this part will be 0 corresponding to A due to 65 plus 0. If value is 27 to 52, this part will be 1 corresponding to B, and so on. The last for the third letter for the name. This formula is much more simple. The column value -1 ensures zero-based index. MOD value -1 divided by 26 ensures that the result falls within the range of the 0 to 25. Correspondingly, the position of the letter A to Z. For example, if the value is 1, the result is 0, corresponding to A due to 65 plus 0. If the value is 2, the result is 1, corresponding to the B, and so on up to the 26, which wraps back to the 0. Now return the selected columns from the table 1 to the product list table measure. We see a unique product name list with 70,576 rows generated. You may reduce the table row numbers by reset small numbers than 70,576 in serious number generated, or extended the row numbers by adding more letters to the product name, for example. That is all in this video. If you have other ways to generate such dataset, please leave your comments in below. Thanks for your watching, and please press subscribe button to support the channel. See you in next video.